With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Welcome students. The question is, a person draws two cards without replacement from a pack of 52 cards. He tells that both the cards are aces. The probability that both are aces if there are 60% chances that he speaks truth is equals to. So we are given that a person is drawing two cards without any replacement and he is saying that both the cards are aces. Now if he speaks 60% truth, then you have to find the probability that both the cards are aces. Okay. First of all, we are given that probability of truth is 60%, that is 6 by 10. So probability of his false statement will be 40%, that is 4 by 10. Now we know that probability is equals to favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. In our case, total outcomes are he draws two aces, so there are 4 aces in a pack of 52 cards. So if he draws 2, that is 4c2. He draws 2 aces out of 4 and he speaks truth, that is 6 by 10. Now if his statement is false, then 4 upon 10. And now if he draws 1 ace out of 4 and other card from other remaining 48, or if he draws the remaining 2 cards from 48. So this is our total outcomes. Just come total on solving this, total is coming to be 5316 upon 10. Now favorable outcomes, if he draws 2 cards out of 4 aces, that is 4c2, and he speaks truth, that is 6 upon 10. This total is coming to be 36 upon 10. Now probability is equals to favorable outcome, that is 36 upon 10. So 36 upon 10 divided by total number of outcomes, that is 5316 upon 10. 10 cancel out. On further solving this, probability is coming to be 3 upon 443. So this is our required probability, 3 upon 443. Answer is coming to be equals to, so the probability that both are aces and 60% chance that he speaks truth is 3 upon 443. This is our correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.